Sorry for the break. Sorry for the break. I just try to like make it to 2 minutes so that I can upload it on our Facebook platform. That's the Facebook forum that we are. Then I continue from where I stopped. After copying the contract address, just go back. Check your front wallet. You see swap. Click on the swap. When you click on the swap, it will open like this. You can see the swap market, and this, if you click on market, it will like try to show you other coins that are there, other coin that you can get with a day. So these are the coin that you can like easily swap your, you can easily swap your Tron to. Okay, let me go back to the subject matter. You enter swap, then check there. You see just swap rate one T go to the, but this is not what we need. We are not swapping Tron to USTD. We are swapping this thing. You are swapping CRT to Tron. So just click on just swap. When you click on just swap, it will take you to a platform. It will open a new platform. When it opens, and mind you, I'm like trying to show you how to add your CRT address so that it can be able to swap your things. When it opens, you see this is the one I swapped. I just showing me confirmation. Okay. When you swap now, what will happen now? Just to add the CRT to your addition, what you see there, you see this is my balance. That's the Tron balance. They say price, advanced price, estimated descent. So you just first of all click on the drop down where you see TRX. When you click on the drop down, this is what I was explaining. You see search by name or paste the address. Do where to paste the address here. Just click on it and paste the contract address that you copy. You can see you paste the contract address that will copy. You see the CRC will appear. They say add by the user. Then I've already add. If I click now, it will remove. Then in your own this thing that you've not added, you've not yet added this in the CRC contract address. You see add. Just click on the add. When you click on the add, you just choose it. The thing is added now. Then you now come down. You can now come down to after the advanced setting. Now you see to estimated balance. You see select a token down there. You click. When you click select a token, just click on Tron. That is the TRX. You see now the thing is showing very fine now. View token CRT TRX. So I want to show you something. Then now, for example, if I want to convert like 10,000 CRT, if I'm to convert like 10,000 CRT, you see the display here. They say price. That's what I was saying. This way you see the price. You cannot see the price of Tron, the price of CRT on the Tron wallet. It's only when you come here that you'll be able to see it. So 10,000 CRT, the price is at 18.7555 or that CRT per Tron. Meaning to get one Tron, they are taking 18.755 CRT per Tron. So now converting 10,000 CRT, the estimated distance that you have that they will give they will credit to your wallet is actually 533.1844593 Tron for 10,000 CRT if you are swapping it. And there is something, this is the gas price, 30 CRT for the swap, and you need, they are showing insufficient CRT token balance. Assuming I have the thing, we also just click on click on the convert. The Tron that is needed on the wallet, is just the fee, the swap fee, the swapping fee, not because they want to do this other than that. So I recommend you guys to start using this wallet for it, and let's stop complaining. They're really trying. No, I always say nobody do a business to fail. Nobody do a business to like close up and do. So they can decide to shut down, but all this while they just follow up to like make sure they make some good changes for us, for the betterment of us. So I believe CRC one day is getting somewhere, Because if at all they are really scammers, they could have just shut down the site and then. So the only thing I would like recommend for us to start doing is to send a message to them that they should increase our payouts, because there are some major people that are stuck. People are stuck there. As in, I know the guy that referred me have about 800 million CRT. If he convert all this, as he's converting all this, and he can only cash out 4,000 plus per month. That's 8,000 plus per month, and it's not in. They should like increase a maximum cash out to like 10,000 tron per one listen. So thank you guys. I believe it's a simple video that all of us will be able to follow. Thank you very much. Then you can swap. If you have any this, you can also. If you have any question, you can also ask me. Thank you.